Welcome to It's Rafiq. In today's video, I am going to explain some Python programs using loops. So our first program is write a program to display first 10 natural numbers. So we have to write a Python program to display first 10 natural numbers, means we have to display the numbers from 1 to 10. So to write the program, first we'll open Python IDLE or Python interpreter. After opening it, we'll create a new file, or we'll open our recent files. So I have this recent file. First we have to take a number. So to display the numbers, we are going to use for loop. For that we'll write for n in range, and here we'll write the range. So range will be the first starting number, that is 1, n number is always -1, so we'll write here 11, and the step value means how much we want to increase or decrease. Suppose I want to increase it by 1, so I'll write here 1. So it is 1, 11 and 1. Now colon sign, and after that we'll write print statement, print, and we'll display the value of n. So this will be our program to display the first 10 natural numbers. So let's run the program, run module. So here you can see the numbers as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now if you want to display the number in same line, then just little bit changes you have to do. After n, put one comma, then write and equal. If you want to give comma to separate the numbers, within inverted comma write comma. Now run the program. Now you see the number are displayed in same line. So the answer for this program will be this one. In answer you will write only this much, 4 and in range 1, 11, 1. Now suppose same program I have to write, but now I have to display the number is reverse order. Like write a program to display first 10 natural numbers in reverse order. Now we have to display in reverse order. So what we'll do just little bit changes. Here first we'll write the starting number. Means we are starting from 10 now, so we'll write here 10, and it should be always -1 or +1. So here end number we'll write as 0, and the step value will be -1, means each time -1. First it will be 10, then 10 minus 1 it will be 9, then 9 minus 1 it will be 8, and so on. Now let's run the program. So this will be the answer, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 2, 1. Now you see what will happen if I give here in place of 0, 1. If I give here 1, then the program will start at 2. So run module. That's why we are giving the end number as 0. So answer for the second program will be this one. For the second program, the answer is this. For n in range 1, 10, it will be not 1. If I give 1, then the number will stop at 2. We'll put here 0, then -1. Now I have to write a program to display the factors of a number. So suppose write a program to display the factors of a number. Now the numbers we have to take it from the user. So first we have to define one variable. Now here we'll write suppose variable is num, num equal int, means while we take any input in Python, it's stored as a string value, but for counting we have to convert into integer. That's why we are writing here int. So within bracket we'll write again input function, input, again within bracket enter a number. So we have taken the number from the user. Now we will use for loop. So we'll write for I in range. Here we'll write our starting value will be one and our end value will be number. And our step value is 1 only. So we'll not going to write the step. By default it's take as 1 only. Now we'll divide the value of number by I, means first time we'll divide it by 1, second time again we'll divide it by 2, and so on. Now here we will write if I modulus if num modulus I double equal 0, then we'll print the value of I. So we'll write again print statement here, print I. Now our program is finished. Let's run the program. Suppose 6. So the factors of 6 is 1, 2 and 3. Now let's have another number, run. Now suppose we have 100. So these are the factors of 100, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25 and 50. So this way we can find out the factors of a number. So the answer for the third question is this one. Now suppose we have to write a program to find out the sum of the digit. Now suppose we have to write a program to find out the sum of the first 10 natural numbers. So write a program to find out the sum of first 10 natural numbers. So to do this program we don't require any variable, just we need for loop. So we are going to use for loop here. For num, our variable is as num in range. Here will here we will write the value as 1, means 1 from starting. The stopping value is 11 because I have to stop at 10, that's why it is 11. Always it is minus 1, and my step value is 1, means each time it will be increased by 1. Now again, to answer storing the answer, we need one more variable, that is sum. So we'll write sum equal 0. At first we'll assume that sum is 0, means the sum of the first natural numbers are 0. Now inside the loop we will write this one, sum equal sum plus I, means each time we will add the value of I. So at first it will be 1, that's why it will be 0 plus 1, it will be 1 only. Next time the value of I will be, n will be 2, so it will be like 1 plus 2, 3. So like this way it will go on. Now the value of sum will be stored in sum. Again I have to display this answer on the screen, so I will use print statement. Print sum equal comma sum. So let's run the program. So it is 55. Sum of the first 10 natural number is 55, means if we do 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10, we will get the answer as 55. So this will be the answer of fourth question. So in copy we will write only this part, sum equal 0, 4 and num in range 1, 11, 1, sum equal sum plus num, print sum equal sum. Now suppose we have some little different program. It's like number 4 one only. Now we have to find out the sum of the odd numbers and even numbers. Write a program to calculate the sum of even and odd integers of first and natural numbers. Now we don't have the stopping value. At question number 4, it's given that we have to find out the first and natural numbers. But in question number 5, we don't have any numbers, means whatever number will be entered by the user, so that much number we have to add it. And even we have to do separate odd and even one. So here you can see I have written 11. So next time we'll have to take the value of 11 from the user. To declare one variable, so we'll write here num equal int to convert the value to integer. Again input, enter a number. After writing this statement, we'll take two variables. First one is even equal 0 and one more variable odd equal 0. Now we'll use for loop. For our counter will be I, in range our starting value is 1, stopping value is number plus 1, because the Python loop the end value is always -1. That's why we are adding here +1, because if we give the number as 5, then if we don't write +1 it will stop at 4. That's why we are giving here +1, and our step value is 1. Now we'll write here for if statement again. We'll divide the value of I by 2. If it is divisible by 2, then only we'll add the numbers, means we are going to find out the sum of even numbers. So we'll write here if I modulus 2 double equal 0, then what we'll do, we'll change the value of even equal even plus I. Now if it is not divisible by 2, then what we'll do, we'll change the value of odd. So we'll write here odd equal odd plus 1. Sorry, not 1, it's I. Now we'll use print statement. Print sum of even numbers equal comma even. Now again we have to display the odd numbers, so print sum of odd numbers comma odd. Now let's run the program. Suppose our number is 5. So the sum of even numbers are 6 and sum of odd numbers are 9. Means in even numbers we'll get here 2 and 4 only. So 2 plus 4 it is 6, and the odd numbers will get here 1, 3 and 5. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 it is 9. That's why the sum of even numbers is 6 and sum of odd numbers are 9. Now if we put number 10, then let's see what happened. Sum of even number 30, sum of odd numbers 25, and if we both plus, then it will be 55. So to solve the last question, or question number 5, we'll write this program. To do this one, to find out the sum of even and odd numbers, we'll write this program. Now next program, we have to write a program to check if a number is perfect or not. Now what is a perfect number? A perfect number is a number that is equal to sum of its proper divisor or proper factors. Suppose number 6. The factors of 6 are 1, 2 and 3. So if we add the factors, we'll get answer as 6. Means 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. It is 6 only. So to do this program, let's write the question first. Question number 6. Write a program to find if a number is perfect or not. So to do this program, first we have to take the number from the user. Means we'll required a number. So our number is num equal int, input enter a number. So we have taken the number from the user. Now we'll need one more variable where we'll add the numbers. So our variable will be sum equals 0. Now we'll check add the factors and store in a variable, in the variable sum. Means we are going to use for loop for I in range. Our starting value is 1, ending value is num, and step value is 1 only. Now we'll divide the value of number by I, means 1 2 3 4 like that. So we'll write here if number modulus I double equal 0, then what we'll do, we'll change the value of sum. Here we'll write sum equal sum plus I. Now after that we'll check whether the value of number and sum is equal or not. So we'll write here if num equal sum, then print perfect number. Suppose I am entering here 6, then I will display it like 6 is a perfect number. So for that we'll write num comma is a perfect number. Else print statement again num is not a perfect number. So this way we can do, just we'll add the factors and compare with the number. If it is same, then it is perfect number. If it is another number, then it is not perfect. So let's run the program. First we'll write the number as 6. So 6 is a perfect number. We'll try with another number 7. 7 is not a perfect number. So this way we can do this program. So this will be the answer of this program. Now next question, we have to write a program to display the first 50 even numbers. Write a program to display first 50 even numbers. So how we can do that? To write this program, we are going to use here for loop only. So we'll write for I in range. First I will write starting value, it is 1. Stopping value will be 51 because it's -1, and our step value is 1. And after next line, after for the next line will be if statement. We'll divide the number by 2. If I modulus 2 equal 0. If it is divisible by 2, then we are going to print that number. Print I, and suppose I am going to display the number in one line only, so I will write and equal comma. So our program finished. Let's run the program. So there you can see they are the first 10 even numbers: 2, 6, 8, 10, 48, 50 and so on. So this will be the answer of this question. Now if we do little changes here, if the question asks you to display the sum of first 10 odd numbers, so what you will do? If it asks you to display first 10 odd numbers, then what just will change here, equal to not equal to. So here we'll write not equal, then it will display as the first 10 odd numbers. So let's try in program. Here I'll change the operator. Here I have given equal to, now I'll change it to not equal to. So if the remainder is not 0, then all the numbers will be odd, like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Even we can write like this way: if modulus 2 equal 1, means while we divide a odd number by 1, always remainder will be 1 only. So let's see what comes. So the output will be same. Now if I have to display in reverse order, so what shall I do? Just I'll change these two numbers. Means starting number will be 50, ending number will be 0, and step will be -1. Now that numbers will display in reverse order. So you can see here, now it's displaying in reverse order. So this was the part 2 of some Python programs for your practical exam. In next class or next video we'll discuss some more programs. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.